Welcome back to the course Scratch Programming for Beginners. We will do some hands-on with control block. In my earlier video, I have created a program, a boy jumping on a trampoline. So in this program, we'll enhance that particular code, we'll optimize that code, and will improve the quality. So here is the program. This program I have created in one of my earlier video. If you have not watched it, so you can watch that video, and here I will explain the code block, and also I will improve that code block using control. Okay, so let's run the program. Here this boy is jumping over here, and finally he falls from here. So what is there in the first block? If I detach it, go to that particular position and then say amazing and go to that particular position and jumping over there. Let's say run it. Okay, okay. Similarly, same copy is there. If I take another one and segregate this, jumping for 2 times. Okay, so it's jumping 2 times. If this boy is jumping for, let's say, 10 times, you need this block to copy for 10 times. Ideally, your program will be big. Okay, so we will not do this. What we will do here, we have a control, we have a repeat block. Okay, so I need to put repeat and inside that block. Okay, put over there. Yeah, what it will do, it will repeat that jumping, let's say 3 times. Okay, for execution purpose, a jumping for 3 times. Yeah, so I'm just reviewing that other code block, and final code block, what we say that final code block here. So what I'm trying to do, I just remove that and that use that. Okay, and finally you will fill from that position. So what is happening is repeat is basically doing the repetitive tasks. I mean, one particular block or more than one block executing repeated times, whatever time, I mean, the mention, it is mentioning in 3. It's that section of code will repeat 3 times. Let's go to I with some sound effect. Okay, so if I take some sound effect and if I import it, let's say choose a sound, and if I say voice and I say here, yeah, take that one. Okay, and from the code section, if I go to sound and play sound until done. So if I do this here, then the effect will be much better. I mean that will create some sound. And finally, here I need another sound. So that's why I just want to take another sound effect. And let's say effect, or if I say voice, yeah, shall I take this one and put finally the sound effect, yeah, play sound and putting here. Now I can repeat it the 10 times. Okay, so what we'll do, yeah, it's amazing. So let's put, yeah, let's put this one, stop this program and put this one here. Okay, here. So instead of that, it's putting the until done. So it's giving uh, some break here. So instead of that, what I'm trying to do, I will do it here. If I put this one here, and instead of that, I will take insert sound here and put here, and I can take crazy laughing. So here I put that particular sound, crazy laugh. So let's start that. So, so the picture will jump 10 times. I mentioned 10. Yeah, that's interesting. So here, what we have done here, we have a much larger code block. We just optimized it within another block called repeat, and that particular sprite is moving here up and down 10 times and finally fails from that particular trampoline. Okay, so in this way you can improve your quality. It's just you need to go through the uh, basic stuff in whatever is there. Thanks for watching. This video is a part of video series based on the topic Scratch tutorial for the beginner. If you like this video, then please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.